Hello, you're welcome to the Women's Clips of YouTube channel. My name still remains Sherifat Oluwarimekun, aka Koche. So on today's episode, I'm going to be talking about the ready-to-eat Ponmo business. Yes, this is a very lucrative business. I'm sure you are aware that before you start a business, you should always ask yourself few questions, and one of the major questions you should ask yourself, this business I'm trying to create, is it a solution to my prospect client problems? Does it answer? Is it an answer to my client questions? Okay, so that brings me to I think, is it a rumor or a medical concern about some former vendors, roasting their former with tire, and a lot of medical practitioners have come to say that, okay, this is a very bad habit and can be cancerous. At some point, I think former was banned in Nigeria, maybe because of that. So that brings me to this particular business idea that I'm talking about, which is the ready to eat for more business. Now, the solution you'll be bringing with this business is you are trying to create a product or a form that the consumer can be able to use, okay, that is fast and quick, they are ready to consume, as the name says, and also a solution, an answer to a question that, is this for more healthy? Was it made with by grilling or burning it with tire? Is it healthy? Is it not that kind of question? It's answering the two questions that your customers might have. So I'm going to be showing you in the next video how to go about making your own ready to eat for more business. So come along with me. Let's go to my kitchen. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And to my returning subscribers, you all are the reason why I keep pushing. Thank you very much for the love. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless your business. Now let's go on to my kitchen.
Yeah, welcome. So the first thing I'm going to do is to wash my pomo. Okay, this is cow skin. You get this from the vendor. You can go to abattoir to buy in kilo or whatever you want, depending on the quantity you want to start with. Okay, so once you are back, take it home and then you try to scrape. You can get iron sponge if it's much, so that you don't waste time on this. Okay, then you take out the dirty parts, the inside, whatever that you have inside. Okay, like I just did. Now you can see that I'm completely done. It's now completely clean. Okay, so you're going to rinse and whatever you want to do, and then you're going to transfer this onto a colada so that it does not splash oil on your body. So transferring into the colada makes it dry and also make it easy for you to fry. You can also do water in your vegetable oil. Your vegetable oil won't start to smell after using it. Okay, so if you don't drain out the water, it make your vegetable oil to be smelly. All right, so now that it's about time for me to start frying. I have my oil in my frying pan. I let it get hot for a particular moment. Okay, I think it took about 5 minutes. Then I just put in one to confirm if it is hot enough. So when after putting that in, I realized that okay, it is enough. Then I started frying. You can see that I'm adding my other quantity. I'm using a deep pan. Okay, when you want to do this, you need to have a deep frying pan. Make sure that the oil is covering the pomo so that it can get dried easily. You want to fry till every part of the pomo is completely dry. That's why I said it's important for you to deep fry. Okay, so you want to keep stirring at intervals so it does not stick. Okay, even though if it sticks, it's still okay. By the time you start using it, it's going to fall out together. But if you are going to be packing to your customer like dried form, you need to separate them. And if you don't even separate, you can just count it together. Okay, and sell to your customers like that. So I'm just stirring to make sure that it does not stick. Okay, you can see that this one got stuck to it. I'm just using my spatula to take it out, and then I'm going to continue frying. So now it's now crispy. Okay, it is crisp dried, completely dry. I can even hear the sound crow 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 when I try to transfer it into my colada bag. Completely dry. You need to make the pomade to be dry. If it's not dry, by the time you soak it, or even if your client or you cook it inside the food, it's not going to be soft. That's why some people don't like this particular white pomade because I feel like it's strong. No, if you fry it till it's very dry, 24 hours soak, it's going to be done. Okay, now you can see mine. So I'm done frying. I've let it to cool down. I left it to cool down, and this is me trying to package it. I don't know whatever packaging you want to use. this is a sample product just for content. Okay, so I'm just using this big nylon. You can see that it does not fit. I know that. Okay, so just transfer it into your packaging bag. Now you can package by pieces. Maybe you want to do 30 pieces, you want to do 10 pieces, you want to do 50 pieces, depending on what you want to start with, the quantity you want to start with, or you may even use scale. Okay, you say, okay, you're selling in 10 kg, 1 kg, 500 gram, whatever you want to do. Just make sure that you have your own quantity and then cost alongside whatever you are selling out to your customer. So just seal up, and then you have your Ponmo. So now you can go a bit further. Okay, if you are selling it this way, it's not 100% ready to use. Okay, so the goal of this business is for it to be easier for your customers to use. All right, so after this stage, the next thing you want to do, if you are selling it this way, you can just educate your clients on how to use it. With the next video that's going to be popping after this, all right, is for you to soak your Ponmo. So you soak your pomo for 24 hours. You can soak it for 24 hours. So in your bowl of water, you are going to add salt. Make sure that the water is covering the pomo completely, like your pomo is immersed in the water. All right. So you add some salt in it to add flavor to the pomo, so it's not tasting bland. All right. So you add some salt to it, and then you soak for 24 hours. So this is after 24 hours. You can see that the pomo has doubled in size. It's so soft and chewy. I mean, just look soft, like just like the other pomo. I think the Jebu pomo sold in the market that is, burnt and all that. So you can see very soft, nice looking, tasty, and just whatever it is. So now you can then drain out the water from the pomo, and then you package and freeze. It needs to be frozen. Now it's ready to eat and it can go bad at any moment. So if your customers' goal is to keep it, just tell them to store it in your freezer. And you also store in your freezer while selling. So it's just like, let's say it's like a frozen, ready to use pomo. So after that, you package, you put your branded nylon, and you are good to go. Easy peasy. So thank you very much for watching this video to this moment. If you did enjoy this video, please like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and to my already existing subscriber, once again, thank you very much. So you can see me packing it. Enjoy the rest of the clip. See you in the next one. Bye.